In this video, you are going to learn how to use Quora to find and discover really good headlines for blog posts or even YouTube videos that you want to create. So what you want to do is come into the search bar in Quora and just type in the topic that you want to create a blog post or a video about. So let's just type in Instagram. Now what I want to do is just click on the word to search. And up I'm going to see all of the most popular questions for that topic. How do I contact Instagram? Can you see who views your Instagram? Now, what we're really looking for are those questions that have a lot of answers, because we can see in the search results how many answers those questions have. And if we open this up, then that gives us an indication of the popularity. So we can see almost 3 million views on this post. So how do we turn this into a headline? Well, all you need to do is really add a how-to in front of the question to turn it from a question into an educational type post. So if we go to how to see who viewed your Instagram, we can see that there are some articles about it, but maybe not the exact language that people are really searching for here. And that's a proven question that a lot of people are clicking on. And even you could maybe write a blog post on that, or as you can see, a video here if you wanted to rank in the search engines even for that. Let's have a look at this video. 37,000 views. Very simple video, less than 2 minutes long. And I mean, that's how easily you can find a headline for your blog post or video that people are searching for a lot and are going to want to click on. Now, in terms of even if you don't even know how to answer this question and create a video or blog post on this headline, what you can just do is come down, read the answers, and take maybe the top 3 answers, build out a list of bullet points, and you can use those bullet points or steps to explain to people how to check who's viewed your Instagram. And you can even use that same outline for maybe a video as well. So the key point is here that Quora is not only a great place to drive website traffic, it's also a fantastic place to do research, because these are real questions that your target audience are asking. So if you create educational content, either be it blog posts or videos, then you're going to get a lot of views on that content outside of Quora as well. So let's have a look at another example here. Why aren't hashtags working on Instagram? So if we just copy this, we could actually even use that as a title for a blog post. But let's have a look down here. Instagram tips, how to fix an Instagram hashtag problem. So that's something you could easily do to turn it from a question into a more how-to post. And even we could probably make a quick video on this. Hashtags don't work, solution. So this is back in 2014. We could maybe do an updated version of this. Again, it's only a minute long, 24,000 views. So there's definitely room, even though there is a video here on it, to improve on this. This is 3 years old, almost 4 years old. So don't be put off if you do see there's 1 or 2 blog posts or 1 or 2 videos. Because there's such demand for answers to a question like this, you can see there's 32 answers, 300,000 views. So if there's room for 32 answers here, there's definitely room for more than 3 or 4 blog posts and 3 or 4 videos. So that is how you use Quora, not only to drive traffic, but also to find and discover headline ideas, and even more than that, to really quickly create content by using the answers there as guidelines for how you can put together your content as well. So now that you understand how to discover those headline ideas, come into Quora, search for a topic, and start to have a look at some of those headline ideas and turn them from questions into how-to headlines.